your CV, your cover letter is the next most important document in your application. Employers will often look at your CV first, and only if that interests them will they look at your letter. This video will teach you how to write a good letter. There are 3 important things you must remember about cover letters. 1. The core of your letter is a personal pitch of why you want the job and why they should give it to you. You will use the best parts of this pitch everywhere, in the profile section of your CV, on your LinkedIn profile, in job interviews, and in video applications. To write a good letter, you start by creating a good pitch to clarify what motivates you and what your best qualities are. Number 2, a cover letter isn't about you. It's about the match between you, the organisation, and the position. You should constantly be emphasising facts that support that match. And 3, your cover letter should supplement your CV, not repeat it. Although your letter will be based on the information contained in your CV, it should focus more on your motivation and how well you match the organisation and the position. How do you write a good cover letter? You start by analysing the job opening and the organisation. What does the job entail? What competencies are required? What do I know about the organisation? Next, you take this information and you use it to answer the following 2 questions. First, what motivates me to apply for this position? And second, why am I the best person for the job? As soon as you have your answers, you can start writing.